is equal to capital G value fixed 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. Mass of Mahindra 75 kg. Mass of Earth 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. R is 6.4. R is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 square. I'll tell you one thing. Always first eliminate the powers. How are you going to eliminate? ये देखो 6.67 हे एकाकडे लिहा. 75 into 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42 plus 3, 45. Okay, done. 24 minus 11, 13. Divided by, this is 6.4, this is 6.4 double, 6 2s are 12, ये 10 raised to 12. Solve this. What do you get here? Students, well, look here. There is one more technique I can tell you, okay, doesn't matter. See here, 6.67 divided by 6.4 into 6 into 75. Now you may ask me, teacher, हे परत का लिहिलं? सांगते तुम्हाला. एक टेक्निक शिकवते याच्यात. म्हणजे तुम्हाला राऊंड फिगरने आन्सर काढते. राऊंड फिगर करेक्ट एक्झॅक्टली टेक्स्टबुकमधलं नाही. आता 13 minus 12 is 10. Isn't it? 10 raised to 1 to be more precise. आता 450 I have expressed it previously as 6 into 75. Reason? हे बघा 6.4 and 6.6 are nearby numbers which can be cancelled. This is approximation. It's not accuracy. 6.4 आणि 6 अंदाजे 0.9 येणार मुलांनो. 6.67 upon 6.4 will be something 1.02. Something like that. म्हणजे हे किती झालं? Almost 1 झालं. 1.02 into 9 is almost 1. So the answer is approximately what? हे 6 upon 6.4 is 0.9. 6.67 upon 6.4 is 1 point something extra. अंदाज सांगायला लागले. अंदाज परत सांगते तुम्हाला. अंदाजे this number is when you multiply 1 2 3 4 digits you'll get the answer as 1 into 75 into 10. So you can check the answer from the textbook. It is 700 and maybe a bit less, 750 watt Newton. This is the way you solve technically. If you are confused, okay, after multiplying, if my answer is wrong, you can do it like this. Okay, the best way, because they don't ask you lengthy calculations to do. Waste your time for 2 marks. Is it okay? This is the answer here. Therefore, what is your force here? F is equal to what here, students? F is equal to 750 newtons. Ends the story. Go to the next. Come on. घ्या आता पुढचा. Example number 2, page number 7. Starting from rest, initial velocity 0. What will be Mahindra's velocity after 1 second? Time interval t is equal to 1 second. This is again given. If he is falling down due to gravitational force of Earth, okay, force किती धरायचा? Gravitational force of Earth is 750. माझा 750 आला. टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये थोडं कमी आहे व्हॅल्यू. ठीक आहे? Is it okay? 750 Newton. To find what will be Mahindra's velocity? Mahindra's velocity, students, they have asked you after 1 second falling due to gravitational force of Earth, as usual, from Newton's second law of motion, we have F is equal to ma. Therefore, A is equal to F upon m. Here it is F upon mass of Mahindra. F is 750. Mahindra's mass is 75. बघा माझं उलट इझी तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायला. 10 meter per second square is your acceleration. ठीक आहे? Again from the kinematical equations. Previously I have told you. Kinematical equations. We have V is equal to U plus AT. Therefore, V is equal to U is 0, A is 10, T is 1. अंदाजे velocity is approximately 10 meter per second. Ends the job. झालं. ठीक आहे? तिकडे त्यांनी राऊंड अबाउट 9.77 काढलं कारण ते जास्त अप्रॉक्सिमेशन कॅल्क्युलेटर्स घेऊन वापरले. आय एम टेलिंग यू द शॉर्टकट वे ऑफ सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लेम. दॅट्स इट. Okay students, this is one. Now it's like this. Gravitational force of attraction, the formula. Now हे प्रॉब्लेमचा सेट झाला. विल कंटिन्यू विथ द theory part. What is the force of gravitation? G m1 m2 divided by d square. This is the formula. आता Newton didn't say that earth pulls the body towards itself. Newton said that gravitational force of attraction is the force of attraction between two bodies of masses m1 and m2. Means m1 attracts m2 as well as m2 attracts m1. Both of them attract each other. Then the point comes कि if apple is attracted towards earth, why doesn't earth get attracted towards apple? See, it's force, mutual force between the two. If m1 is getting attracted to m2, m2 should also get attracted to m1. Means if apple is falling on earth, why is earth not falling on apple? Students, it is true. Earth will fall on apple provided there is vacuum in between the two. And if you compare the earth's gravity with the gravity of the gravity of apple, it's negligible. Therefore apple gets attracted to earth, because if you make earth and apple, if you create a vacuum, then definitely both will get pulled towards each other. Don't think that Newton was a foolish saying that force of attraction between two bodies and all that. Nine. In vacuum it is possible, and in space there is vacuum, and therefore all these bodies, that is the reason why gravitational force is universal. Because everywhere, once you go into space, crossing the earth's atmosphere, it's all vacuum, and in vacuum the force of attraction is equal between the two bodies. That's it. Okay students, for today I will stop. For tomorrow I'll continue again. Bye.